Okay, everybody, this week we're going to start looking at FRQs for AP Macro. Now, what exactly are they? What are they? I know you've seen DBQs, probably in AP World History or in APUSH or some other science or any other classes you've had. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit. When it comes to AP Macro, this is what you would get in the spring. Okay, this is from 2019, the free response little packet you get. Okay, it has lined paper in it for your responses. Now, this is a unique class, and the way the FRQs work is it's basically one question split into three parts, or the whole FRQ itself. It's worth 33% of your grade, so it's also going to be worth about 33% of your grade in my class as well. I try to structure everything based on the test, whether or not you're taking it, because that's what we're here to do. So the first question is always going to be a long one, and it's going to be broken into multiple parts. So question one, assume the U.S. is in a recession. Say, we've already talked about recession a little bit and how to fix it and things like that. Then it's going to have A and then two other parts underneath it. Okay, and they can vary. They can have three parts. They can have three parts. They can have one, two. In the 2020 exam, the online one, the first question had 23 parts. I'm sorry, 13, something like that. So anyways, this year College Board has already said it's going to be face-to-face, on campus, on paper, like normal AP exam. So, one question on the front, it's always the long, very more involved question. Then on the back, you usually are going to have two more questions. They're much shorter and they're very specific. So, question 2 and question 3, you can see they have the same thing. Question 2, A, B, C, then part C has I and II. Okay, so anytime you see this, what I want you to do is make sure you answer these FRQs, because you're going to do these for practice. You're going to learn how to grade them, see the rubrics, and get to know them. And with our next lesson, Comparative Advantage, you're going to see your first FRQs. So whenever you answer these, so this, for example, is 1A. Okay, and what this A means, this is from College Board's website, and I'm going to give these to you as well to look at and review your own work. So you have a scoring guideline that shows you what the graph should look like and how the points are awarded. So question number 1, this long question right here with all these parts is going to be worth 10 points. Then they break down. You get a point for drawing your graph. You get a point for drawing the vertical long run supply. You have to title it Y1, just like they want right there. So you can see right here, this student, they labeled it Y1. Do exactly what they say. And also structure your answers in the way that they're written in the question. So if this is part B and it has I, 2I, and 3I, then you would write B, and then 1I, 2I, and 3I. So whenever you're working on these, the point systems are going to be awarded in that same exact manner. Whenever I give you these to grade, I'm going to give you the scoring guideline, the student examples, and if it says A at the top, that is for someone who made a 5. Okay, so the examples that I'm going to load up and I have a video of me solving, you're going to use those in order to do the Comparative Advantage FRQs. So that is kind of the basics on what an FRQ is. All this fun stuff right here. So we'll have a good semester trying to figure those out.